Igbo man in the midst of his hostile neighbors. Who is an Igbo man? An Igbo man is one who always perseveres in his struggle to make ends meet. He is extra resilient to retrogressive factors of life. No matter the ups and downs in his struggle to survive, an Igbo man believes that giving up is not the best. So, the end determines the means. This is a reflection of Ikenga symbolism. The Igbo man is feared by his tribal neighbors and countrymen because of his survival proclivities, determination for success, creativities, and potentials. The Igbo man is believed to be a Republican by nature. He is naturally propensial to freedom, justice, self-reliance, and extremely creative. The Igbo man represents creativity, innovation, commerce, technology, science, and spirituality. He has the instinct to survive no matter where he finds himself. From his determinative zeal to succeed emanates the strength to hustle hard, conceptualize ideas, make it materialize, and establish it. These plausible propensities made their ethnic neighbors and contemporaries envious of them, and since after the genocidal war against the Igbos and their allied neighbors, the narrative turned extremely negative by the other tribes of Nigeria against the Igbos. The envy deepened and became worse. The Igbo man was resented, chastised, discriminated against, relegated to a disadvantaged position in the Nigerian society. Yet, he was able to recover quicker than expected because of his instinctive consciousness about the activities of life, which is based on individualism. The Igbo man's philosophy of life is exponential to self-reliance, independence, freedom, hard work, and justice. Wherever the Igbo man inhabits, he develops. It is to the best of his capacity, not considering the fact that they are strangers in the town or community. They put in all efforts to foster development anywhere they are. They can coexist peacefully with other tribes or people they come in contact with. The Igbo man is law-abiding, peace-loving, and accommodating.
Inuka la ngwa bara biaman kanga